Hi there, this part deals with a dashboard that I have been meaning to do for a while. We show the dashboard, projects, and teams. This is making very good use of cards. Our drawer is also nicely tucked in and accessible via the hamburger. In our source code, we have defined a generic card for the cards on the top. For the team cards, we build one from scratch using the vfor directive and some mustache. We define the team member's state for the page. We then use the team list and bind these to the card details.